Hi everyone. Today we will discuss our latest website like YouTube where people can see full videos, short videos, articles and much more. And in this video you will be able to understand how this website works, how people can use this website and how admin can use this website. So yeah, let's get started. So this is a short section where people can scroll next and they can see the next YouTube short available just like YouTube works. You can see like, comment and all these all videos are uploaded on your platforms. So that's how a customer can comment, he can also like and much more. And now let's see more, and that's how you can scroll and see more videos. And this is the full video section where you can see subscribe and much more. So let's go to a channel, and this is a person channel where you can see videos, shorts, liked videos and much more. And now if we go to the sidebar, we can see history, we can see purchases. So in our website we have a feature of purchase. People can buy paid videos, and this is the articles where people can upload articles, and you can see all of these features here, popular channels and much more. You can see all of your subscription and much more. We also have a feature of going pro. That means the platform can be used for free users and also for paid users. Free users can have a upload limit and paid user can have unlimited videos or a particular type of video upload limit. This all can be controlled by admin. And this is chat section where people can have a chat with different people, and this is the light mode and dark mode feature. And now let's understand more. Here you can see subscriptions. Here you can see your wallet. So in our website, when people watch the video, they can earn reward point that they can redeem by the admin. So let's say if you watch the video for 2 minutes, you earn 2 points. So you can redeem it like this. Enter your bank account detail, enter all the details and upload your bank account detail in PDF and much more. Click on save, and yeah, that's how you make a request to admin to get the money in your account. Admin will see this request and he will pay in the given bank accounts, and once he pay, this balance will be gone from here. Now this is the admin section of this platform. From here you can see videos upload and much more settings. That's how you can upload any video inside the platform. That's how a full video can be uploaded inside the platform. For more query, you can directly WhatsApp us. Number is showing on the screen. This is a complete YouTube-like website with admin panel, application and 1-year free technical support. And that's how a video can be uploaded. In this application we are using AWS server, so your hosting don't need to be big. You can have a AWS server, Amazon server, where all the videos can be uploaded. Amazon server is initially free, and once after the free trial is used, then the paid fee starts. For more, you can directly check the Amazon server packages on their website. You can upload videos from application and also from website. Both options are available. And that's how a video get uploaded. It's uploading. And yes, done. That's how a video get uploaded. And now you can see the video title, video description. You can change the title. Automatically it will take the default title that you had on the video in your device. And now you can upload thumbnail. Click on next, and then video get uploaded. You can choose category, you can choose private or personal, and much more. YouTube like website and application. Click on next. Choose the video is free or paid. Let's say you are uploading a movie which is paid. A customer need to pay to watch the movie. Then you can put it as paid. But right now this video is free, so we are putting it for free. So in this platform, a customer can have free videos like YouTube, and he can also have paid videos like movies or any research or anything. You can have the videos for age restriction, all age group or just 18 plus. Now click on publish, and that's how a video get uploaded in the ready to launch YouTube like website. Our video is successfully uploaded. You can see, you can like it, comment it, and much more. So this is the home page, and now let's understand the admin panel of this platform. So this is the admin panel. You can see the complete details. From here you can see a customer can switch account or not. You can see you want the system to be active or not. If you enable the maintenance mode, it will not be active. You can see a customer can use the article feature or not. And who can see his article? Only his followers or anyone. You can see 18 plus pop-up. Let's say your website is for adult content only. You can see this 18 plus pop-up. You can see the default language. You can see this copyright option. So if somebody thinks some content is copyrighted, they can report that as a copyrighted content like this. So all of this is controllable by admin. User can create an account, user can request for verification badge, and much more. All of this is controlled by admin. You can see donation system, that user can donate if somebody wants to donate on the platform. You can see censored word. Let's say you want to censor something like black money or any word you want to censor, you can censor it. So that word videos will not be able to live on the platform. You can see invite system, so user can send invite. This feature is only for platform when your platform is fully paid. It's not available for free, but right now the platform is available for free. That's why the invite system is disabled. So that's how you can add the censored word. Censored word videos will not be able to live. When somebody adds something like this in the title or something, then those videos will be automatically down and the user will get a warning, and you will also get the details in the admin panel. And now let's understand more about admin. From here you can see the more details of admin. So we have read all of this journal configuration. User can register, user need to verify the account, two-factor authentication, and much more. All of this is controlled by admin. You can see all the settings here. Remember, this device feature means that once a user enter the ID and password, it would be saved. So all of these features you can see are controlled by the admin. Now let's discuss the more features inside the admin panel. Now in the website information section, you can see the website name, description and much more. You can see the point system settings also. Point system settings means that a customer can earn points on video watching, comment, like and much more or not. You can control that all by using this section. So let me explain it more. By the point system section, you can see here $1 is equals to how many rupee and how much pro donor will earn and much more. So all of this can be controlled from here. From here you can see the upload limit, how much upload a user can do, how much a pro user can upload and much more. You can see all the details here. You can set upload limit for users, so users cannot upload videos more than that limit. You can also change these settings anytime. Now let's see the video and player settings. So from the video and player settings, you can see the video can be autoplayed and you can see all the other settings over here. You can see the hashtag system. You can also see the short duration, how much seconds a short would be. So if you want to change it, you can change it from here. From here you can see the live going feature. A user can go live or not, that is controlled also by admin. This need Agora API, and from here you can see all the payment gateways. From here you can see advertisement settings for video monetization and much more. From here you can see if somebody has asked for payment in their account, you can approve the payment, and once the payment is approved, they will not have that balance in that account that we told in the starting. From here you can see website ad, video ads and much more. You can put ads manually like a banner or something on your own platform. From here you can see all the payment requests and much more. From here you can control the default languages, and you can edit languages and much more. From here you can see all the users. From here you can see affiliate is only good for the platform when you are having paid videos or paid platform. Right now this platform we are using as free. From here you can see verification request a user can. From here you can manage the verification request. From here you can add additional field in the user profile. From here you can see all the videos. From the manage video comments you can see all the comments, you can edit them and much more. You can edit any video, you can change the description, thumbnail, category, anything inside any video. You can also add card feature like YouTube inside any video. From here you can see pro system, you can enable or disable it, and you can set what price you want for it, how much videos a person can upload and much more. You can also set that if somebody don't have pro, how much length video they can upload, like here. From here you can the free plan, and in the pro you can see the paid plan. You can see your recent payments. In the design feature you can see your website design, your dark mode, light mode and much more. In the tools you can see you can send multiple notification, you can ban any user if you want to. From here you can see activities. From here you can set many notifications. From here you can see subscribe, so you can automatically add fake subscriber inside channels. From here you can automatically delete video if somebody has some particular type of comment or word like this from a keyword. From here you can see videos that are reported and much more. So that's all about the admin panel and details of YouTube like website and more. If you want to make a website like this, you can directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen, or visit ronix.com. I'll see you in the next video.